In this video, we are going to show you an example about star delta starter, how we can program it and so on in PLC. So if the three-phase induction engines have more than 5 kilowatt power, they cannot be run directly. So that's why we are supposed to decrease the flow, and in return we use star delta starters while using three-phase induction engines which are more powerful than 5 kilowatts. In these systems we have three conductors which are line, triangle and star delta. Here you have the demonstration of these kind of circuits. This system is very common, so you should get familiar with these kind of systems. Now we are going to show you an example of a program that we can use in this kind of systems. So now let's have a look at the program that I have created before. So as you can see here, I have created such a program, but of course you can create your own program in different ways because there can be another examples around you. As I told you, this star delta starter is very common and used, but I've created this kind of program. So this is my starter, these are my thermic and stop button. When I press on start, my line and star delta conductors are activated, and at the same time my timer starts running through the line conductor, and at the end of the 5 seconds it energizes the Q0.2. This is my triangle contactor, and by the time it energizes, I have a contactor here, it opens, and as a result, star delta contactor gets out of the circuit. I mean, it gets turned off, and my system keeps running with Q00 and Q02. Now let's press on start. Let's run my system in the simulator. I'll show you. So by the time I pressed on start, my contactors are activated, all of the three. At the end of the the time, this is deactivated, but the other contactor is activated. So as a result, I have my star delta contactor running. So I press on this, but even if I release my hand, it keeps running. And as you can see, in the end of the time, my star delta contactor is deactivated, but my line conductor is activated. So as a result, this is how star delta starter is operated.